Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the PrepDude AI Product Engineer Cohort, Session 5. I'm Venkat, your host. Over the last few sessions, we learned how to build AI assistants, create intelligent agents, orchestrate multi agent systems, and make them reliable and trustworthy. Now it's time to answer an important question. How do we make AI faster, smarter, more affordable, and tailored to real business needs? That's exactly what today's session is all about optimizing AI. Joining me once again, our instructor, Yuji. Welcome, Yuji.
Hey, thanks, Venkat. Hey, welcome everyone to this session. Again, today's session is exciting because optimization is what transforms a good AI solution into a great business solution, right? Again, like anyone can call a large language model, but AI product engineers know how to improve performance, how to reduce costs, personalize experiences, and build solutions that create long-term business value. And that exactly what we'll be learning today.
Okay. So when people hear the term fine tuning, it often sounds complicated. What exactly does it mean?
So, fine tuning is a process of teaching a pre trained AI model to become an expert, like in a specific domain or a business case, right? Like, let's say instead of starting from scratch, we are building on an existing model and adapting it using specialized data. Again, like we'll introduce techniques like LoRA, which is called LoRA, right, which stands for like low rank adaptation, or QLoRA, which combines quantization with LoRA to make fine tuning much more efficient, memory efficient, right? Again, like these approaches make it possible to customize powerful models without requiring enormous computing resources.
Oh, seems like that's a game changer. Does every application need a massive language model?
No, not at all. One of today's key discussion is choosing the right model for the right problem. Sometimes a small language model, SLM, is a better choice because it's faster, cheaper, and easier to deploy. So you would probably use an SLM to put as like the initial reasoning agent or like an initial classification of intent. Or other times you'll use a large language model, LLM, providing the reasoning capabilities needed for more complex tasks. As an AI product engineer, it's important to understand these trade offs rather than assuming bigger is much better.
Oh, okay. So, speaking of choosing the right model, I have been hearing about model routing. What does that mean?
So think of model routing as having as a team of specialists. Instead of sending every request to the same model, your application intelligently chooses the best model for each task. A lightweight model might answer simple questions instantly, while a larger model handles more complex reasoning. We'll also explore personalization, where AI adapts to individual users, and continuous learning loops, where user feedback helps improve the system over time. These capabilities create AI experiences that become much more powerful than the more they are used.
Performance is important, but business also cares about cost. How do we optimize AI without sacrificing quality?
So that's where cost optimization and inference trade offs come in, because every API call, every model choice, and every response length has an associated cost. We'll discuss practical strategies for balancing speed, accuracy, and cost so your AI applications remain both effective and economically sustainable. Optimization isn't just about technical performance, it's also about business efficiency.
That leads to another important topic competitive advantage. If everyone has access to AI models, how do business differentiate themselves?
Excellent question. The real value isn't just the model itself, it's how you combine domain knowledge, proprietary data, optimize workflows, integrations, and user experience. Today's session also explores AI product defensibility and enterprise AI strategy. We'll discuss how organizations create AI solutions that competitors can't easily copy, and how AI becomes a strategic business asset rather than just another feature.
Wow, that sounds like a mindset every AI product engineer needs. So, what are learners building in today's hands on lab?
So, today's lab in session 5 is all about creating a domain specific AI assistant using Google Colab. You'll choose a real business use case and optimize an AI agent for that domain. Along the way, you learn how to fine tune an AI model for specialized knowledge, explore optimization techniques like LoRA and QLoRA, compare the small and large language models, improve performance while managing costs, build an AI assistant designed for real business value. And by end of this session, you will have an AI solution that's optimized, efficient, and ready for practical use.
I love that every session ends with something tangible that learners can showcase.
Absolutely. Today's LinkedIn recognition post for yourself could be excited to complete session 5 of PrepDude AI product engineer cohort. Today, I find you an AI assistant for a real business use case, explored LoRA and QLoRA optimization, compared small and large language models, and learned how to build cost-effective AI solutions. Sharing your products demonstrates not only your technical skills, but also your ability to think like an AI product engineer.
What an insightful session. Today, we learned that building AI is only the beginning. The real impact comes from optimizing models, improving performance, controlling costs, and creating solutions that solve real business problems. Thank you, Yuji, for walking us through these important concepts.
Thank you, Venkat. Remember, again, successful AI products aren't always powered by the biggest models, they're powered by the smartest design decisions. Keep experimenting, keep optimizing, and keep building solutions that create meaningful value. Every improvement you make brings one step closer to becoming an exceptional AI product engineer.
Oh, that's a good ending. Thank you, everyone, for joining the session 5 Optimizing AI. We are excited to see the domain specific AI assistants you build during today's hands on lab. We'll see you in session 6 as we continue advancing your journey towards becoming an AI product engineer. Until then, keep learning, keep optimizing, and keep building AI that makes a real business impact. See you in the next session.
Thank you all.